Today is Tuesday, April 17th, and I don't know when you guys are seeing these, sometime in May, so happy May. But anyway, today's Tuesday, April 17th, and it's day 2 of Myrtle Beach vacation, and I don't know what we're gonna do today, but I have to log on to school at some point, which will be no problem because the Wi-Fi is pretty fast. Because I uploaded the vlog from yesterday because I am vlogging this trip. And, yeah. Good morning, everyone. How are you? Happy, today's Tuesday. Hold on, let me end this and start over. What a bad biker you are. Good thing I'm not going with you because that outfit is...
Oh, yeah, here they were.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Look. There she was, Em.
Oh, okay. Vacations with us, right? My dad brings his bike without realizing the seat is too high for him, and he finds a bike shop.
Big hair, don't care.
No, now it's
folded over.
Why does it not fit correctly? There we go. And I'm in my sweatpants. Hold on. 21:27. The other day, yesterday. Last night. And, yep. But I got my sandals because I'm trying to be warm. So shout out to my friends, JC and Jill, for supplying, like, literally my entire wardrobe. My hat and my sweatshirt are all JC stuff. It is day 2. It is like 10:30 right now, 10:35 I think. And I'm just miserable. My mom got that beautiful picture that you see of the sunset or the sunrise in the video. Oh my god, just like back home, right? In bed filming. But you know, I'm just so cold. I have trouble like regulating my body temperature, so anyways, got our little wristbands. I don't know, I'm just so tired and ready to be home and ready to just, I want to go home. I'm tired, I'm cold, and I want to get this process rolling on my dog. So yeah, update later I guess, because it's cold. My little feet, these are frozen. Here comes the sun. Doo 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 doo. Hey guys, Emily here, and it's 8:30, and I'm gonna end the video here because I'm a grandma and I'm going to bed and I have no spoons left. So, But tonight was fun. We went on the boardwalk and I used my power chair. If you want to go on my Instagram and look at pictures and stuff, you can go there. I went to the boardwalk and it was fun. Took a picture of that. It was really nice. And then had dinner and then did a little shopping. I got something and then I actually got my friend Cassidy something, but I can't show that right now because it is for your birthday, your 21st birthday, since neither of us are drinkers. I thought this was the next best thing. It's a clothing item, so I hope you like it, but if not, then we can worry about that later. But actually, by the time you see this, I'll be shipping it out soon, but today's April 17th, and I was like, oh, I'm going to ship it when I get home, because I just want her to enjoy it now. My mom's like, that is so stupid. Why would you ship it 2 months in advance? Well, why wouldn't I? So, anyway. But I'm sorry these videos are so short. I was putting it together just now, and I was like, damn, I only got 5 minutes of footage. At home, I talk hours and hours. But honestly, today I just, like, slept, and then as you could see, I got sunburn, but it was, like, half of my face. So tell me how this happens when just before you saw me in a blanket. Well, on Instagram too, you saw me in a blanket, my JC hoodie, my JC baseball cap, and everything. Like, ridiculous, right? So, this is what it is. Holy shit. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. And, if you're in the hospital or if you can't go on vacation this summer, I will take you on this vacation with me. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. See what I did there? I tried to be cool, but I'm not cool. Ready? Thumbnail of my burnt face.